Hi, I'm Susan. Today is day 2 of Junk Journal January, hosted by Meg's Journals. And our prompt for today is envelope. And I've got this tiny little envelope that I made. And I've got a few pieces of ephemera that are envelopes. So I've got all kinds of stuff. Let's see what we have and see where we'll go with it. So without further ado, let's get started. Well, I hope everybody is doing well. I'm doing good. Let's see. Now I'm thinking about, and I could just use that as part of the decoration on the other, but I want to decorate my envelope, and I do have that, and I could, as it flips out, add that one or something else. Maybe that. I do know I want this, and I've got all these pretty little stickers I got for Christmas. So let me see. I don't know what it is about these clear stickers. I just love them. So I want to put that there, and I'll add that there. Get my glue book. And I already inked that. Some things I've inked, some things I haven't. And I've got all this tiny Tim Holtz ephemera that I also got for Christmas in this nice storage. You never can have too much storage. Like that. Maybe something teeny tiny, like something like that. I have to find my tweezers. Here's one. Maybe something. I like that. So I'll use my glue for that. Just add that down. Okay. And now I'm just gonna add this to, and I think I just added the glue to the sides because it'll make a nice little tuck there. If I so choose. So that'll flip out. So we'll add just a little bit of, so what to put there? I like the butterfly. Maybe I'm gonna have so much fun using these. Both sons gave me some stickers, so I love them. And I think that one with the more, I do want a blue. I think I want the blue. Any other kind of? I like that. We had a quiet New Year's Eve. My husband has to get up at 12:30, so we don't do the little party thing anymore. We used to shoot fireworks when my sons were little, but we don't do that anymore. They just don't care for it. But we had neighbors that were shooting them. I bet they were having a good time. Our poor animals didn't, our kitty cats didn't care for it, but we enjoyed shooting them when our boys were little, so can't really deny them that. Okay, I've got this, and I think I want to add it there. I may lay down some kind of scrappy parts. I wasn't sure what I was going to do with this. I probably should have had it cut out. Alrighty. I think we'll do that. And I've got, let's see what I've got. See if I want to add. That's kind of pretty. But it'll be hidden. So maybe up here. And let's see, I have, this is deli paper that has gotten splattered and such. Kind of maybe add that. I think I like that better. So I'm going to glue this down. This is just some of that paint paper that, you know, you put down when you're painting. And I think, yeah, I've got a little bit of this is just tissue paper. It's got the pretty flowers. I don't know if you'll be able to see them. All right, I will ink around that. That's pretty. And let's see. Got like that. And I had, yes, I like that. So let me get these down. Sticking to me. There we go. And that'll close there. Open it up. Let's see what we have. Well, the envelope, you pretty much need a stamp. And need something right here. washi. I like that. And let's see. If I have something I can stick in the envelope. I think maybe just a there we go. I'm going to stick that in there. Let me ink around the back. There we go. Day 2 done. I think I can use my stamp. Haven't used it in a while. Okay. Now let me check it out to see if I got the date right. Yep. So I am just going to stamp it right there. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed this. I think it turned out cute. I think I covered the prompt envelope well. So if you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't, and ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all be sure and check out Meg of Meg's Journals channel. I have it listed in my description box down below. And be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January. So y'all take care. I love you. And until next time, bye y'all.